2 weeks after the U.S. lifted the COVID travel ban to Europe, the World Health Organization is now warning of a surge in COVID deaths across the continent unless tougher actions are taken. Here's CBS's Imtiaz Tyab.
Belgian police used water cannons after some demonstrators chanting freedom turned violent. Earlier, tens of thousands took to the streets of Brussels to protest against newly reinforced COVID restrictions, including mandatory mask requirements and work-from-home measures as infection rates continue to spike. Several European countries are now convulsing with protests after the World Health Organization declared the continent the hotspot of the coronavirus pandemic. In the Netherlands, there was a second night of violence, this time in the capital, The Hague. Dozens have been arrested in what police are calling anti-lockdown disorder after a new partial lockdown went into effect last week following a major surge in coronavirus hospitalizations. In nearby Austria, which has some of the highest rates of COVID and the lowest rates of vaccination in Europe, thousands took to the streets of Vienna on Saturday after the government announced a full nationwide lockdown starting on Monday, as well as mandatory vaccination requirements starting February 1st. Imtiaz Tyab, CBS News, London.